Hello, thank you for coming back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very simple pasta dish. This is nothing fancy, this is just a quick and easy dish, something that I normally make when I get in from work and I just want something delicious, warm, tasty, and it's quite cheap too. So, only 4 ingredients. First of all, the pasta. I use these little twizzly things, fusilline, and I use whole wheat. I use broccoli and cauliflower florets, 6 broccoli pieces and 6 cauliflower pieces, and this is to make it for 2 people. Half a tub of cream cheese. Let me see what size this is. This is 200 grams, so that'd be 100 grams of cream cheese, and some Pecorino cheese. Just enough for sprinkling on the top, and of course salt and pepper. So I've put my pan on to boil. It's filled up with water about 2/3, so we'll just wait for that to boil before we start. My water's just about to boil and I'm just going to put 3 handfuls of pasta into the water to cook. So we'll put the lid on, bring it to the boil and time it for 10 minutes. Once the pasta's had 2 minutes cooking, we just want to put our cauliflower and our broccoli florets in. And these florets are frozen. I have blanched and frozen these from fresh. If you want me to show you how to do that, I can do it in another video, so leave it in the comments if you want to know. So I'll just turn this up again so the water becomes boiling again, and the remaining time from the 10 minutes we started at the beginning of the pasta. So once your pasta has had 10 minutes, I've got a calendar in the bowl here, you probably can't see it from the angle. Just tip the pasta and the broccoli and the cauliflower gently into the bowl. And what I do then is I pick the pieces of cauliflower out and I just cut them into smaller pieces on the spoon. This is just so you don't get huge, great pieces. It's all going to be mixed together with cheese. There's a big piece of cauliflower there, so I'll chop it into 3. It's all going to be mixed together with the cream cheese, so it needs to be little mouth-sized pieces, so it mixes nice. Then once you've got all the broccoli and the cauliflower back into the saucepan, just drain off the remaining pasta and tip it in also. There. So the pan goes back on the heat, and then I just tip in the cream cheese, salt, and plenty of black pepper. And just give that a mix up. And this is on a low heat. I'm in electric oven and this is on number 1. So very low heat. It's just to warm the cream cheese through and it's cooked. And that's it, how simple is that? So this would just be served up on a nice warm plate. And I like to put on more black pepper. And sprinkle onto that some Pecorino cheese. And we always have ours with just a simple piece of garlic bread that's been warming in the oven, and they're such a simple dish. I hope you've enjoyed this very simple pasta recipe. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again next time. If you want me to show you how I freeze the fresh broccoli and cauliflower, let me know in the comments. If enough people want to see a video on it, I'll do a video on how to freeze them, okay?